Eric Scheid is... What's this? Yes?
Okay, now.
And now. Eric Scheid's nurse, Sheila Bissel, who is always good for something fun when she comes through Omaha. Octoberfest is coming. And so to celebrate that, she brought us some pepper beer bread mix. And then head chef Karen made that bread with Sam Adams Oktoberfest. So we're gonna give it a shot.
Let's give it a shot.
Yeah. Now Karen says you got to put honey on it. So
okay.
I'm gonna try that.
Sheila's always bringing something interesting.
She.
Thank you so much, Sheila.
Absolutely. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Pepper beer bread from Minnesota. Is that where she's from? Minnesota. No. All right. Made with Sam Adams Oktoberfest.
Wow. That's really good.
You get a little pepper on the front and then it goes away. Like, it's kind of nice. And it's just a nice bread.
Does this technically count for a beer in the morning?
It does.
Okay.
Even though the alcohol cooks out, obviously. But yes, so there you go.
The honey on it is really good. I feel like some of it is a little bit sweet towards the outside that I don't have honey on, so it kind of complements it really well. And just not too dry. Oh man, it's really good. This is my breakfast.
I'm gonna eat a lot of this. All right, so a beer with Atlas all October is about Oktoberfest beers. We have 4 different Oktoberfest beers, from local all the way to like super popular top 10 list Oktoberfest. So if you're not listening to our podcast, A Beer with Atlas, start in October, you will not be disappointed. Thank you, Sheila.
Thank you.